Here's my Lotos LTPDC2000D that has the plasma cutter, the Tig welder, and the AC/DC Tig, so you can weld aluminum. That's the expensive one, 500 plus. Actually, after the extended warranty, 600 plus. And this is the one that had the problem. And they sent me the motherboard that was smashed. While working today, I gave this more thought on the Lotos motherboard they sent me under warranty. This motherboard, I mean, it's got electrical components in contact with the exterior of a capacitor, bent. Everything's bent, smashed. They sent it without a box, and they told me to install it because they didn't have anybody in my town to install it, and they didn't even send any instructions. The guy emailed me and said, oh, it's very simple. Not really. I mean, I could do it, but if I installed this, it would almost certainly burn out the rest of the welder. The problem with the welder is it says it's overheating when it's not. But if you turn it off and turn it back on, it'll start welding normally again. It says it's overheating in a very short period of time, and this was supposed to fix it, which would not have fixed it. It would burn out the whole welder, which then would void my extended warranty, and they would probably not even consider giving me any extended warranty after I installed this motherboard from the manufacturer. So it seems to me almost certainly that they wanted me to destroy the welder and void the warranty by sending me this motherboard in a bag so it would be smashed when I got it. And then they could say, well, you shouldn't have installed that. So if they're sending you components and asking you to install them like this, don't do it. Make them pay shipping for you to ship it back to them, for them to fix it, ship it back to you in good condition. Otherwise, you'll void your extended warranty. And I certainly hope you bought an extended warranty when you buy a Lotos welding machine, because they used to be good, but if you look at this, I wouldn't trust them for nothing anymore. Nope, don't trust them. Ship it back to them. Make sure you get your receipts, the whole 9 yards, everything. So in conclusion, since they actually sent me a smashed and damaged motherboard replacement in a plastic bag without putting it in a box, I conclude they are a avoid buying product. I'll wait with my extended warranty, and if it completely burns out before the end of my extended warranty, I'll get the money back on the extended warranty and I'll buy a different brand name. I won't be buying Lotos anymore after this.